So today we're going to be talking about adjectives. It's a part of speech. An adjective modifies a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives can tell what kind, how many, or how much. So remembering that a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea, an adjective would be a word that describes that noun. Proper adjectives should be capitalized. So in other words, when it's like a proper noun has capitals because it's the specific name of a person, place, thing, or idea, if the adjective goes with that noun, you would also capitalize that noun. Demonstrative adjectives tell which one. So they're words like this, that, these, those. Those are also adjectives. They are called demonstrative adjectives. The words the, a, and an are special adjectives called articles. Use a and an to refer to any one item in a group. Use the to refer to a specific item or more than one item. So if you were to say, like, I need to get an apple from the store, it could just be any apple. But if you want the apple that's in the fruit basket on your kitchen counter, you're talking about a specific apple. Or it could be, those apples or the apples from the basket. So the directions say, read each sentence. Now yours is on a Google form, so it's going to look a little bit different, but and the directions will be a little bit different. So here it says, read each sentence, underline each adjective, circle any demonstrative adjectives or articles that you find. So what I'll ask you guys to do is just type what the adjective is and then what the demonstrative adjectives or articles are. You'll just type those into the form instead of underlining and circling. Okay. So the first one, we'll do a couple of examples, and then that'll be the end of the video because I'll want you to try the rest on your own. The first one says, 3 horses approached the fence. So the first thing it asks is to identify the adjective. So what I like to do is see if I can find the noun first, because if I can find a noun, then I can more easily find the adjective. And I'm also trying to remember that adjectives will tell me what kind, how many, or how much, right? So for me, because I have the ability right now, again, yours is going to be on a Google form, so yours will be different. You won't be able to write it. It says underline each adjective. So 3 horses approached the fence. So I see 2 nouns. I see horses, because that's a thing. Fence is another noun, also a thing, person, place, thing, or idea, remember. And then the words before that would be the adjectives. So to find the adjective that describes horses, you could ask yourself, well, what kind of horses, or how many, or how much? Does it tell you? And you see that, yes, it tells you how many horses. So 3 horses, right? 3 horses. Maybe I need to do, I don't know, but you could see how I was underlining it. The pencil doesn't seem to want to stay on there, but so 3 horses. 3 would be the adjective in this case. The other adjective for the word fence would be the, but it asks us to circle any demonstrative adjectives or articles that you find. So I would I'd circle it if I could circle it. Oh, here, a circle. So I'd put a circle around the. Again, on a Google form, it's going to be different. You're not going to be able to underline or circle. You'll just have to type in the answer. So demonstrative adjectives, I don't see any words like this, that, these, or those, but it does have the number 3. Oh wait, maybe that'll work. That worked. Yay. Okay, so 3 horses approached the fence. So 3 is telling you how many horses. The is the article. So I'll do number 2, and then that'll be it. So For number 2, it says, the Arabian horse had a long tail. So if I identify the nouns first, so horse is a noun, tail is a noun. And if I go through the sentence, I look to see what words are describing horse. And here I see, like, again, asking myself, does it tell me what kind of horse, how many horses, or how much horse? And in this case, it tells you what kind. It tells you that it's an Arabian horse, right? So that's what kind. So that would be the adjective. And because it's the specific name of a place, or not a place, the specific name of a type of horse, especially it being from a particular like country or region in the world, it would be capitalized. So it is a proper adjective that gets capitalized. And then we have the word the, which is an article. So it asks us to circle those. So it's telling you a specific item when it says the instead of a or an. Okay, and then there's one more adjective because there's another noun here, the word tail. And then does it say what kind of tail, how many tails, or how much tail? And it does tell you what kind of tail. It's a long tail. So because it's not demonstrative and it's not an article, I'm just going to underline it. Okay, so that's it for this. And if you have questions on it, you can always chat with me, send me an email, or ask during our meet chat.